Hello folks, it's 12:45 in the afternoon and I am here in the garden, at the backyard garden, looking at our plants after the rain showers. And here are the things that I found. Blossoms of the pink, beautiful pink roses. And what do I call this? Are this honeysuckle? And look at the plants there on top. Beautiful. I'll show you around. And here are my discoveries. Look at this succulent. Oh, so beautiful. What? Grown so many new plants. This one. There. Here's another one. Wow, nice. It has also flowers. And what do you call this? This one is artificial flowers. Oh, how about this one? You know this? Look, it's so cute. And this one also. Yeah. Oh, there's hello birdie. My birdie doesn't move. Here's a gumamela flower. Still has the bud. It hasn't opened yet. And I've got also succulents here. This one, beautiful plants. There's other plant there. We call that in the Philippines, San Francisco plant. How about this one? I don't know what's the name of this. And that one, very beautiful red flowers. Here also. Very cute. And these flowers, oh beautiful. Succulents. And these they have grown now. Last year they are so short and now they are very tall. There. Another. Oh, I like this. I forgot the name of this plant. And here, more. Yeah. There on top. And here. And lastly, what's this? We have this unique variety of the aloe vera. We have the lemongrass. Here are other succulents. Oh, nice. Oh, that's blossom. So, folks, these are the plants that thrive well after the rain shower. So beautiful to have a garden at the backyard. You have a small pantry. Uh, I think that tall plant there is called fire stick. I hope you enjoyed looking at our plants. Although we have some artificial flowers to enhance the beauty of the garden, but the natural plants are better for the provide us with oxygen. Thank you folks for watching with me. And those are the trees. They're now barren, falling leaves, they're all around. So with our persimmon tree, no more leaves. Oh, there's another one here at the corner. Wow, wow, wow. How nice of you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed looking at our ornamental plants. God bless everyone.